In the box, the Polycom VVX 201 comes complete with a base unit, a handset cord, a stand, a network cable, an optional power adapter, and documentation. Standard features of the VVX 201 are 2 lines of speed dial, a monochrome backlit LCD, Polycom HD voice, 2 Ethernet ports and hard keys that include standard 12-button dial pad. Home, a 4-way navigation cluster with a center select key, headset, speaker, mute, and volume control. Setup is easy. Connect the stand, plug in the headset cord to the headset and base, and plug in the network cable.